Hi all, today we are going to discuss about why system design questions are so difficult to solve or why they are so tough. So we will have couple of reasons and let's explore them. What happens is one of the most important thing is that their unstructured nature. What we understand from unstructured nature is that they will ask you to design Twitter or they will ask you to design YouTube. They might ask you to design Insta or like these questions they might ask you to design book my show. So these are the products which are outcome of years of engineering expertise, product expertise and error and all those things whatever they have learned, but they will ask you to design these things and they will give you this one liner, design Twitter. They will not give you any requirement. Even if we get one Jira ID, there also all the requirements are written, but here you will not find any requirement, any structure, what you have to design, what you have to ignore, what is the limit, what is the scope for this and all those things. Next thing is they are open-ended design. So in real world what happens is like if you are asked to design or you are asked to implement one particular web server which is for social media, then in cap theorem obviously you can go ahead with availability and partition tolerant and you can say that I don't need consistency and you can justify that in your implementation. But what happens in interview questions, they might ask you no I need consistency as well. When you will provide consistency, then and if you have done sacrifice on availability, then they say that no I need all of these three. Or even if you have design, if your design is moving in some one direction, they will ask you no this is not what I want, I want something else. So this is open ended. They can anytime in your mid of the interview or end of the interview, start of the interview, they can mold you in which direction they want to go. So this is the one of the second difficult thing where they are open ended and you don't know in which direction they will go and it becomes a bit difficult to tackle. The third thing is there is no definite answer. What we understand from that, there is no definite answer. So even if they ask you to design certain thing, if you are choosing Oracle SQL or MySQL or Cassandra or MongoDB for storage purpose, so all of these you can store, and in that 1 hour you cannot give you cannot go ahead on a debate that which one will be better, which will not be a better, and what should be the answer. Even if for a single, suppose for just Twitter design, there might be more than 10 kind of perfect solutions will be available which can be provided. So you don't know which one he is expecting and which one you have to provide and what he is looking for. The next is that mostly if you are not working in a very small company with the startup where very few people are there, you will not get chance to work from end to end. So you will not be deploying, also you will not be handling the load balancer, you will not be handling the persistence, you will not be handling the report, you will not be handling everything. You will be handling one module or one component which will get integrated with other modules, and some another person will be holding accountability for that particular module. So but in interview design round questions, they will expect you to know everything. If you are working in a very small company or startup, then also you will not be knowing about the scale. Most of the time you will not be knowing all the production issues and all those things which you will see when you are handling only one module. So these are one of the challenges. The next thing is as soon as we start thinking about job switch or something, we start with lead code or geek for geek with the algorithmic round. It doesn't matter what is the year of experience we have. So what will happen here, they will ask you to, but in system design they will ask you at very holistic level, knowing the components altogether different from algorithms. So we mostly don't prepare for that. So this video series will be that we are trying to find out solution for system design questions, and in upcoming lectures you will see how to tackle these problems, and we will discuss couple of rounds of several design questions as well, what are the solutions which we can provide when they are asked.